poultry is a very profitable business. It's a profitable business if you agree and accept and have the passion to learn through it.
Yeah.
It's about results. Everything is about results. And you cannot get these results if you don't try working with a professional, working with someone who is ready to work with you from day one to the day of slaughter, or to the day of first egg, or to the day of 100% to 90% egg production. That's how you get it. Farmers seek help, seek information, also learn. Don't ignore these conferences, these trainings, these workshops. Go for them. Learn from experience of other people, but definitely with a work with someone who is guiding you through. So another 2 hours.
The same.
Unapandisha bendera. Unajua wako fiti. Sasa you're able even in an outbreak kugundua haya huyu kuna kitu inaendelea hapa, kuna kitu inaendelea, you're able to separate. Because the essence of such, when you have big numbers, any infection you separate immediately.
Okay.
Otherwise you're going to increase the rate of infection in that whole flock. And that's why I'm saying proper kupiga scouting. It's important.
Always.
Kupiga scouting, especially at this age. It's important to do scouting at this age. Because it's a very tender age. The whole digestive, respiratory and everything is not very well developed. So they is very easily or very likely for them to be attacked by small things. And then they'll be able to arrest this. Kujua mapema, kuzuia mapema. But basically, so far so good. I see like your batch is good. If you follow those small guidelines, I'm sure you will notice the difference. When you use our products, I'll be happy to come back here on 28th.
On 28th?
Day 28th.
You know the good thing?
We ask ourselves, where are we from your records? And where are we now? And I'll be happy, supplier, to say, with your conversions, you have seen the results. And in turn, you also have good money in your pockets. Because when you sell more kgs, early age, and probably for zero mortality, that is what we are simply looking at. So well, it's a partnership. It's a partnership. We guide you, we help you, we can give you the products that are required, the right ones, the right quantity. And a good thing about, I go back to this brand, good thing about the Interkelly products, we give you a guarantee of working. It's an original molecule. We give you a guarantee that when you use them, you're not going to get disappointed. So try us with this new flock. You are at day 2, we start with you. Tomorrow is day 3. We put them on, they're supposed now, as we speak right now, they're supposed to be on an anti-stress stress mix. That was supposed to be there yesterday.
But we didn't know of such a thing.
Now, so then from there now, kutoka kesho, we should put them on a dawa called Limovix.
Now my eyes will turn to our Chief Medical Officer and supplier. So she recommends, of course, I know. Also the good thing is, now that we tend to document all the whole journey, tutakuuliza swali, and it will be, umana me guarantee he'll be back in 28 days. But at the end of the day, also for last, ni ile tunataka bigger, that is what we call the returns, alafu our progress ikuwe sawa, because sometimes if the progress is not okay as a farmer, then you know you also have that kind of a problem. So we always come back to the drawing board and we'll try. Mary, what do you say?
We are 24 days from now. So we stop the other ones.
Yeah,
we do this.
No worries.
And may I request one thing? You get me at a small board and put me. I like working with dashboards.
Okay. Which one do you want it for?
For
Mark pen, whichever.
If you get a Mark pen, the better. Zero from day 1, we go recording what you are doing. So me, I'm becoming on my checklist. Checklist is the 28th day. 28th ikiisha, niende pale town niitishe chai. Niambie results zako.
Consider that done. No, consider that done.
And it's always good to work with dashboard, and not simply because the simplest dashboard
in a farm is a note. It is a note.
Okay. This is from A, 500 birds, vaccinated about this, this as day this, at day this we did this, at day this. Even if a person gets there, you have to ask him a question.
Okay.
Look.
I feel makosa yetu It's only that we don't have the notice board, but on the right
record is
side,
there.
the records are there on the book. We always have record ya kila batch. This is but nilikuwa nimemwambia jana asiweke because there is a column I want to introduce. But every time kama ni this is batch, hii ni batch 5 ama ni batch what? Hii ni batch 5. Iko na its own records. Batch 6 ikiingia tunajua imeingia which day, quantity, alafu also we also trying kuangalia mambo, for example vaccination, magonjwa ikitokea kama whichever nini anaturekomendia tunaandika, though they don't happen often.
Why I'm saying that, the last notice board you're going to have, itakuwa na line 30. A graph. Unajua all that information utaipeleka kwa ni magonjwa ngapi, how often do they occur in your farm, the weeks, what are the success of your farm,
because now that's it.
The graph is going like this or is going like this. Number 3, cost. Because definitely as a farmer you go improving day by day. If you start with investment of 100 shillings with 100 bags, 1 year down the line you should have known the do's and the don'ts. You should have known, if I follow this route I can save, but still give the birds the best thing. So my main aim for having the dashboards there is to draw a graph that is going to help you value or rather calculate your enterprise is either a profit or loss, because eventually that's the end game. Ujue uko biashara ama hauko biashara. Otherwise kama uko biashara wita na kisu maneno vile data itakuexplainia ikwambie kwa magonjwa you are able to eradicate zero disease.
I mean
hapo because uone ulianza na mild infection, ulikuwa unakimbilia kadawa fulani ulikuwa unakimbilia kingine, at batch 6 from there you only using vitamins, that's a plus. Uone ulikuwa unasumbuliwa na heat stress, jiko zinafanya hivi, bulbs zinachomeka, at batch 6 hii batch za kwanza la 3 sitakuwa na issues, that's another plus. So your graph is always, it should always either not this, hata kama inaenda this horizontal or flat,
but still is kind of improving in a way, it's not going down.
It should improve with time. If not constant, it's improving. And for us, I mean the main aim is to always make sure you are better than yesterday.
That's true.
So me be working with you 28 days, the next visit kama hutaweka board niambie nikuje na yangu.
last bit kwa wakulima kama sisi where every cost ina matter, Mary usichoke. The question is don't you feel now sometimes when it comes to investment the needed what do you call other vitamins and the supplement tuna feel like it's too much on our end? What would you say on that side? Because that one was 2,000. How much was it for? I was catching it, the bigger one. That one later.
The Stimosol. Stimosol. What we do? How much?
1,200 a liter. So I mean, still you'll find someone saying
someone will say that. That's why I say it.
But we buy, we don't complain because we want to improve.
But what happens? You put there is the expected results or the estimated figure that you expect from these birds. For instance, let's say this is a batch of 100 birds. When you're starting to stock them, you project the match that you want to get at the end
out of that.
30 days. You put in your cost of, that's why I say dashboards. You put in pale juu 30,000. Every 30,000, I mean not 30,000, 30 days. 30 days. 100 birds. Expected income. Every cost that you incur, it comes below at the that is 30 days. At 5 days, I did this at this cost. At Nini, I did this at this cost. By any chance, you get to half, and you know there is what we call now the projective way of then you're doing your graph. Because they should be, is it parallel or what? Because by the time you are getting let's say you're harvesting at 15 days, you get to your 15th day, and you're seeing your cost of production is already half or even more than half of your income that you're expecting at the end of your batch. You know there's something wrong. Let's say I've said you work with dashboards. Put the projected, now that when you're talking about zero mortality, zero disease, 100% management, and 100% return. That is what 30 days, 100 birds, 100% income. Unaichora pale juu. So you trickle down with any cost that is going to come. At the end of the month, you'll come to realize those supplements that you did saved you a lot
than if I wouldn't have. And last question, what is maximum return per bird? Ukifanya everything umesema, for example, day one wameingia, quality birds, quality feed from distributor, we have followed your advice on what to do, such as administering spinosol and other thing. At the end of the day, we still come back to the money, right?
Yeah.
What should be, let's talk about minimum return for every bird. That is even considering the market is there.
The market is there.
Yes, from your end
From end
as
to
a
determine,
profession.
number one, where you are selling,
Okay,
your end market,
yeah.
your cost of production.
Mhm.
That is what will draw the lines everywhere, the cost of production. Because your cost of production is different from your neighbor. You used
Why is it
probably-
the difference?
The difference is there because
Mhm.
you used feeds type A, they used feeds type B.
Type B,
They used vitamin A, they
And
used vitamin B.
B.
All those variants will definitely be at variance in terms of the cost of production. But basically, that's why I've said every farmer's aspiration is to get 100%
Return.
But the 100% return is determined by the cost of production. Your cost of production is different from someone who is in Nordistan, from
Yeah.
someone who is in Uganda.
Yeah,
Logistics being in place,
yeah.
cost of minerals being in place, cost
Yeah.
of raw materials being in place.
Mhm.
So the cost of production will vary. Area,
Yeah.
farmer,
Yeah,
supplier, product.
yeah.
That's why I've said it's 100% less expenses
Yeah.
in consideration to the cost of production. Cost of production ni umetumia dawa gani, umetumia chakula gani, unalishia wapi, unatoa chakula yako wapi, vifaranga wako walitransportiwa kutoka wapi, because all those aspects
Have to be
will zero
considered.
down to the cost of production per bird.
Okay.
Kutoka wakati huu ndege alitoka kwa kampuni yenye ilimtoa ikafikia kwako, that whole line affect the profitability or the end margin of
Yeah.
every one bird. It has to be put in consideration.
Okay.
I take you back to dashboards. That question can
Well,
well be
well
answered.
answered, but ametupiga chenga, which is true,
I've
which
said
is
I wouldn't
ideally,
want to say
yeah,
the-
yeah.
the-
Because
the
obviously now
expert because of the
someone
different
with the
variants.
different variants. And the last thing,
Yeah.
when it comes to feed, you said feed A, feed B.
Yeah.
Why do you feel there's always that variance? That is, do you feel now? Sometimes they say, usinipige viboko. The expensive the feeds, the more quality it is. For us, we've been using this.
Yeah.
Can't complain. But do you feel there's usually huge difference qua feeds? Again.
There's a huge difference. What you realize is that everybody patents their formula
Yeah.
of how they prepare their own ration. So the way I will do my ration
Yeah.
is not probably the way company B will do their ration.
Because again, it's in a depend on their profitability margins.
Profitability,
Yeah.
source of minerals, source
Yeah.
of raw materials. So all those will depend on the variance in terms of the nutrient value all those things have. And also the different way of preparing these things.
Okay.
So that's why I say point A, feed B,
Yeah,
feed C
yeah.
will at times have variance in terms of the productivity or the percentage of productivity. But nevertheless, you always tell the farmer can test depending on, because the farmer who has done 3, 4, 5 batches, they know feed A took me this, feed
Yeah.
B took me this. Why I'm not going so much into that is because I'm not into feeds. But I know they are good feeds, they are
Yeah.
good companies,
Yeah.
they do quality feeds,
Yeah.
but it's not necessarily that expensive
Expensive
feeds are
feeds.
better quality.
Better
than
quality.
what. No, it's about the brand
Yeah.
and how the brand has performed in the market. Because they can tomorrow wake up
Yeah.
and do called the Kifaranga Dairy Meal, ama Kifaranga Chick Mash, and I do some nonsense in that bag.
Yeah.
I mean, because I'm selling it at 10,000, that doesn't mean it's going to
Work well.
Because that's why I talked about getting sources from reliable people,
Yeah.
quality people, and who are doing quality things. Because you didn't say about the price. Tomorrow I can wake up and make my own product called GLB. This is a very good vitamin, and I'm selling it at 8,000. Because of the expense, if the farmers run because they say, hey, the more expensive, the best quality. You
Yeah.
sell.
Yeah.
It's about results. Everything is about results. And you cannot get these results if you don't try working with a professional, working with someone who is ready to work with you from day one to the day of slaughter, or to the day of first egg, or to the day of 100% to 90% egg production. That's how you get results. I say farmers seek help, seek information,
Yeah.
also learn.
Yeah.
Don't ignore these conferences, these trainings, these workshops. Go for them. Learn from experience of other people, but definitely with a work with someone who is guiding you through. So mtu asikwambie mimi natibu kuku wangu kwa kienyeji. naeka sabuni kwa maji, hiyo form nawapea. Kill your birds following
Ama unawapea mwarubaini. So someone posted it on the group. We need to use the indigenous mwarubaini.
But what people should understand is that this is an enterprise.
Yeah.
An enterprise is not a gamble game. With that mwarubaini, it might have a herbal effect on the birds.
Yeah.
But you're not guaranteed in a stock of 1,000 birds to start gambling.
Mm-hmm.
There's a reason if we all went the indigenous way of treating birds, I mean, it would be somewhere different. So it's always good to seek the proper information in the right places, get the proper guidance,
Okay.
Quality feeds, quality supplements, quality vitamins in case of infections and outbreaks. You call people who know what they are doing, what you let them visit, avoid telephone diagnosis. Ati kuku wangu wanalala niwapee nini? Avoid those things. Especially with these birds, if you do telephone diagnosis, you fail.
Napata.
Always make sure you're on the ground, you see the feel, you feel it, you touch it, you see it. It's something you can feel and relate with what is going on. Because for telephone, atakwambia ni 5, lakini the scout unapata ni 15. That miscalculation also would help you see the intensity of maybe an infection, how it is.
Okay.
So telephone diagnosis here is something very dangerous, especially for birds of this tender age.
Okay.
Or other birds that require a lot of attention.
And when do you feel now you're out of danger? Which day?
You are
After
never
brooding.
out of danger
Yeah.
if you predispose yourself.
What?
You never say you're out of danger because you're not out of danger.
They're still, yeah.
Because
I
if you don't
totally
feed them,
understand.
they're in danger. If you feed them with something that is not good, they're in danger. The last day to slaughtering, you feed in the feed that has aflatoxins, you lose them. So you're never out of danger till the money is in your pocket. So never relent. Don't surrender.
Alright. Just wrap up. Ya mwisho, najua nimesema ya mwisho. Parting shot ya poultry farming, yeah? Do you think, is it worth a venture? From your years of expertise, alafu, what does it take to grow now that you've worked with, now you're starting to work with small farmers kama sisi, and you've also worked with bigger farmers with huge flocks. So one, is it worth it? And then two, what does it take to grow your venture from small numbers to reach a bigger number? Based chenye umekuwa from the field.
For poultry, it's a very profitable business. It's a profitable business if you agree and accept and have the passion to learn through it. I always tell farmers, number one, don't shoot too big because it's a learning process.
Yeah.
And it's a process that you need to grow and grow in it. Like you said, you started with one batch.
Yeah.
If you look to my right, you have a smaller batch.
Yeah.
About an average of 350 birds.
Yeah.
If you look to my left, you have 500 plus.
Yeah.
That means you've learned in the process and you've learned into the business.
Yeah.
You have grown from A to B. And whatever mistakes you made in A, you're not going to make it in B.
Definitely.
The reason that's why you stopped more is because you made something from the very first batch you started maybe over 100 or 200 birds.
Yeah.
So it's a profitable business.
Actually, our first batch was 150.
See?
Yeah.
You're increasing because you're making profits.
Yeah.
So it's a profitable business. It depends on how you're going to do it. If you follow the right channels, you follow the right information, use the right items that are required, you definitely will not make losses. You definitely make profits. So it's a good business. It's something I can encourage people to go into it, but learn through it, grow in it. Start with an average number, learn, go step B, go step C, and eventually the number that you had in your mind or you aspired to have of 5,000, 10,000, 30,000, you'll get there. But it's always good to start learning. Because a good student, that's why we don't start with university. We start with nursery class 1. When you gain experience, you are trusted with a bigger number. So you cannot be trusted with lecturing if you have not gone to play group schools. So let's trust ourselves first with the growth of 100, 200, 500, and eventually we will trust ourselves when we do 1,000. And now we are sure this is a way to feed them, this is a way to manage them, this is a way to give them supplements, this is a way to get the market. Because otherwise you can start with 10,000, you have not prepared your market. And I mean, as a farmer, you should know where am I taking, what is my market, what is my cost, what is my source of income, what is my source of raw materials. You analyze all these things. And then you can get to know all this information by starting somewhere. So start small, grow in it, get experience, learn, go to this workshop, go to this training, and eventually you'll get your aspired number. But it's a business, I'll tell someone, start tomorrow. With proper information, with proper guidelines, with proper working with good people, you eventually get where you want. But it's a business that is going to build you empires. And I've seen people who have started even with 200, right now they are talking of 10, 20,000. And they have done resigned even from big positions.
Wow.
Just to do poultry farming.
Wow.
Okay, something which can get you where you want.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I feel for the first day, we have really learned a lot, and
we are
thank you.
going to continue learning.
And we are going to
We are
continue
here
learning.
for 28 days
Yeah.
to work with you
Yeah.
to get the last part.
Yeah.
So, mikono yetu sasa iko kwa Madam Mary.
Kwa Madam Mary.
Make sure you have all those products.
All those products.
In place.
So
and this guy here will make sure when she's given a product, he has replaced it to the maximum use.
To the maximum use. Yes. The good thing is I'm not a telephone farmer.
Thank you.
I'm always here 100% because I'm also learning. We tend to help each other. At least nikichomoka kidogo anashikilia, and that way, because I feel now as a farmer I hate birds. It's not my first one. Sawa sawa, bye.